Alright, so now that we have some data in our products table, let's look at how we can select this data out from our product and get it back from our products table. So the query we want to write, we're going to learn a couple new keywords here. The first is the select keyword. So we say select, and then what we want to do is inside here we want to say some list of columns that we want to select from our products table here. So the first thing, there's a couple ways we can do this. The first thing we're going to look at is how to get everything, how to get all of the columns for all the rows out of the table right now. So one way we could do that is we could write out every column name here, and I'll do that after I show you the shortcut way, which is to use the star here, or the asterisk. So you can write select star, and then you want to say from, that's our next keyword, and then after from, you want to write the table name that you want to select this information from. So in our case, it's products. So I'll write products and end that with a semicolon. And I'll come down here to run current and click that. And when I do, you see that we get all of the column information for every row in our database table, right? So the star here, this is really just saying, what columns we want to select from our products table. And then it gives us back, currently, it gives us back those columns for every row in our database table. Now in the future, we'll look at how we can, only get certain rows back, but that's a later video. Right now, we're just going to get, every row back from our database with these simple queries like this. So select star will give us back all the column information. Okay, so if I just say name here, like this, right? And then I say run current, we see that we just get the name column back for all the rows in our products table. Additionally, we can just say product code, right? So we just say product code there, we can run current, and now we get all the product codes back from all the rows in our products table. Now, we can put these in any order. Again, so the star, like I said, we'll get everything. We can explicitly write name, product code, but we don't have to put them in the order that they're listed in the database table. We can put them, product code first and then name, and then we will get the information back that way in our return value here from that query. So if in this little table view here, you see that we get product code first and then the name. So that's another way to do it. Also, we can put the same column multiple times. So if I say name, and let's do it 3 times, name, and now I click run current, you see that we get the name column returned back 3 times from this query here. All right, so that's our first look at selecting or querying data from a database table. In the next video, we're going to look at some calculations that we can do when we make these queries. So I'll see you there.